Na-discover na yung kanyang lymphocytes is sobrang taas. I did not know how to react. It was so overwhelming. It was overwhelming.
I am Michaela Saiki Athena Giaplan. I am 8 years old.
It was in March of this year when we discovered that Michaela had pallor. Pinaliguan ko siya, tapos nakita ko yung color niya from head to toe, iisa na lang, sobrang puti, sobrang putla. I thought na parang may iron deficiency lang siya. So we brought her to her pedia. So dun nga na-discover na yung kanyang lymphocytes is sobrang taas.
Bakit daw sa lahat ng mga bata, bakit siya pa meron ganun? Sabi ko nga sa kanya, anak, siguro binigyan ka ni Lord ng ganito kasi kaya mo.
The insurance policies from AXA was a very good investment. Ang laking tulong na approved yung kanyang critical illness benefit kasi bago ka pa pumasok sa susunod mo na treatment, your chemo drugs are already secured. By God's grace, we were able to, she was able to hurdle the intensive phases ng treatment niya. So 6 months is already over, tapos na yung kanyang mabigat na mga treatments. We get to sustain because of that claim yung kaniyang critical illness na feature. And of course, malaking bagay rin yung hospitalization benefit na daily ang kaniyang makukuhang claim.
When I grow up, I want to be a teacher because I want to become a principal.
Principal.
To my friends and relatives out there, please secure your family. Have at least one policy for your family. Yun lang. And looking forward na the day will come na lahat ng Pilipino ay insured na po.